See, to me, a koozie is the biggest waste of time and energy.
It shouldn't get hot.
It shouldn't get hot. You're not drinking sauce, you know. Kris, you not saying anything?
I'm just laughing at you guys talking.
Is anybody recording this?
I am.
You are?
Do one.
Because now it screws your day up because you can't wing it. You got to remember to be someplace.
Welcome back to Moto Photo Adventures. Hey guys, how are you?
What's up?
Hey.
Are we ready for another fun ride today? Absolutely. Look at that cool long selfie stick.
Was it break this one?
I had one like that.
So did he.
Yesterday. we had an incident.
This is called the Pon Pon Chapel of Ease. It's actually a really cool place. Maybe I can send you some pictures because it's closed due to COVID.
Well, there's also another issue.
No motorized vehicles. We wouldn't have driven in, but look, grounds closed, no trespassing. Well, we are back on the South Carolina Adventure Route. Check it out. Whoa, isn't that beautiful? Look at all that dirt road. Look at our bikes sitting here waiting for us to get back on the road. We're gonna have another fun day of riding today, guys. This is stage 1 of the SCAR. We already did stage 5 as our first day, but today we are gonna do stage 1, which is basically from the Edisto Island area all the way up to the center of the state. We're gonna probably try to make it to around Edgefield. But yeah, come on along. This is gonna be fun. We've got another beautiful day. It's about 65, perfect riding weather. If we avoid the rains that are coming, then we will be in good luck. That's gonna be an awesome day if we can do that. But if we can't, we've got gear for that. Anyway, stick around. We got another good one coming for you.
And this is where Steve says,
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We appreciate your support. No, seriously, hit the like and subscribe button. Hey, Kris.
yeah.
I think you need to give us a shout out for all of our sponsors.
Oh, yeah, man. We love our sponsors. Thanks, you guys, for all the cool stuff and for supporting us. We really appreciate it. That's very kind of you. Nelson Rig, of course, for our amazing luggage. We love our Nelson Rig luggage. Cena, you guys are great. I tell everybody to ride connected. These things are awesome. The Cena 10C Evos are amazing. They've upgraded Jason and Steve to the new Evo. EPA Racing, you guys are great. We love the chain slack adjuster tool. Color Vision, you guys are awesome. We appreciate you helping us with all our infrared photography. And last but not least, Think Tank Photo. You guys make the most amazing camera bags on the planet. We love your products.
So I think what we should do is have Jason kneel down right there.
No, not going to happen.
You can record Steve going through the big mud puddle.
This is just a similar water crossing, Jason. I don't know what the problem is here.
You remember what happened when you recorded Steve crossing the other water crossing?
Vividly.
Maybe you'll link to it in the video.
Maybe I'll link to it. Yeah, we'll link to it right here.
The only thing I know is, I don't know if you guys can make that.
Oh, that's funny. I mean, the fact that I could have done it just as easily as you has nothing to do with it.
Not a daggone bit.
Oh,
this is pretty.
Oh, this is beautiful. Hold on.
They do make tripods, by the way. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Photo opportunity.
It's going to bother me that I was off center.
Should have held it out here. Oh, are you moving your GoPro?
I am. We're gonna do the eye in the sky photo. Incidentally, I have a one of these GoPro wrenches if anybody ever needs it. All right, so Jason's gonna be in the middle. I'm in the front. I'll be in the middle, and I'm gonna record 360 going down this tube. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Proceed to partake.
Get a nice speed going so we can get some leaves blowing up in the air. Steve, catch up.
Just good pace?
Sure.
It's a puppy dog.
Oh, it's beautiful. Pause there, Jason. I want to try and get a quick shot of my bike. All right. I'm going to roll with that until we get to the end of this red loop. Yeah.
Oh, there's the river.
Oh,
Shot of that.
that's cool.
Anybody want a shot of that?
Nah. We got miles to go before we sleep.
Look to your left so you can see the river.
Okay.
So basically what we did was rolled a little bit east to get the red alternate route that Kris has designed, and it was great. A lot of nice dirt, but it brought us up the left-hand side of the Edisto River instead of the right-hand side. And so now we're coming back
And you're missing the turn.
and braking hard and turning left in front of this car.
And me too.
so that we can get back on the normal SCAR route.
Jason hammering down.
And
Trying to catch up.
you nearly lost your life on that, but did you get the footage?
I did. Oh, I didn't. I waited.
If you were in an accident, the first thing we would check would be to see if your memory card was intact.
Yes. Come on by as he speeds up and gets into more treacherous. Coming on.
This is awesome. What time is it?
And score time! And we're not talking about getting one either.
And
Left turn.
just like that, we're back on pavement.
Thank goodness I looked at the GPS for a second, only to realize there was a hard left turn.
Nice. Look at that. This is the real America, boys. Backcountry USA. Jason. What's going on here?
It looks like you're missing a handle.
I'm missing a handle.
Yeah. Also, you're probably missing some fuel, and you're probably missing an attendant.
And a credit card reader.
repeated again.
How about this one?
Hey, so we stopped for lunch and this is what we got. Hola, senor.
Hola. As far as you know?
Yeah.
This is cool.
Same.
Where are we, Jason?
We are in an Army Navy store.
Nice.
Army surplus store, correct?
You want one of those?
Huh? I have one of those.
How are you?
All right, how you doing?
What's your name?
Denny, what's your name?
Chris.
All right, Chris, how you doing?
Nice to meet you. Doing well. We just had a delicious lunch next door. We don't want to get back on the bikes just yet.
Just dive in.
Looks like what you'd wear for a snowmobile.
This is what you need for your motorcycle. You ever seen one of these?
Oh, is it a shovel?
That's a shovel. This is what it looks like when it's folded up. And then you tighten it down, and you're good to go. And you can use it for an axe.
I want one of those. We had those growing up.
Oh, yeah. I have to replace my helmet with this because this is much more comfortable.
You guys all bundled up?
Yeah, I'm warm now.
Well, we are doing good. We got a beautiful afternoon, gorgeous lights. Going through some cool little small towns at this point. And a couple more hours of riding, we should be at our destination in Edgefield.
Didn't take long to find us a dirt road.
Oh yeah, this is good practice right here for Trans-American Trail Stage 4.
I got a funny feeling that this is nothing. This is hard packed.
What happened?
We were tracking ourselves on the drone and hit a tree. These things happen.
It was one of those. Bring it over here.
Did you bring that can of compressed air?
No.
Well, that's not going to fix it. It's not an Atari game.
Let's try that again.
Okay.
Man, it was a beautiful day, nice and relatively warm. Tomorrow is going to be just as warm, isn't it, Steve? Yeah.
I don't think so. Enjoy what we have right now because it's possible that the cold front that pushed the rain away from us is going to greet us with a surprise in the morning.
Look at that. That's cool.
That's too cool. You can tell we're photographers.
Oh, look at the front. Look at the front lobby area.
Oh.
Okay, wait a second. We can do this.
Jack in the hole.
Got it.
Indian Trail, something or other.
I think the early morning temperature will be 36 degrees, and I think it's going to get up to a high of 43 if I'm not mistaken.
Steve.
make it work. What is it you always say? There's no such thing as bad weather?
It's bad clothing.
Well, that concludes stage 1 of the SCAR, which is our second day on the SCAR. And we're fast approaching Edgefield, so we're going to just find us a little motel. The Edgefield Inn, I think, is the name that we were headed towards. First thing in the morning, bright and early, and we have a big surprise. We have a guest star appearance on the trail tomorrow, so stay tuned for stage 2 or day 3 of our SCAR trip, and we will show you who that is tomorrow.